And welcome to the Miss Carla Dance YouTube channel. We are finally here. We've finally got around to doing it. So first things first, we need subscribers. So make sure you subscribe, share the love, spread the word, send the link to everyone you know. Get us some subscribers, okay? It doesn't matter if you've never danced before, if you're a beginner, if you're returning to dance from years ago, or if you're a professional just wanting to go back to basics. The whole point in being here is just have fun, just get involved, send us questions, send us comments, let us know how we're doing or if there's anything you want us to do. Now we don't have much at the minute, we've just got one course to start with, but stick with us because we've got lots to come. But for now, enjoy our jazz course. And check back regularly for new videos. Don't forget to subscribe.